Hello everyone. Today I am coming back with my new video that is on a top 5 marketing management philosophies. In between there is the strategy. The strategy implement the firm to satisfy the customer need, increase the sales and maximize the profit as well as the beat the competition. Those are 5 top marketing management philosophies are used in a business to increase the sale, maximum profit and beat the competition that can be improve your business. And that 5 philosophies are production concept, product concept, selling concept, marketing concept, societal marketing concept. As we know, the marketing department of the management that tries to design the strategy that will be build a profitable relationship between target consumer and the company firms. Overall, this all that terminology used for the making a sale as well as to making the customer relationship, those things are very important in a business point of view. Production concept. Consumer will be favor the product that are available and highly affordable. इट मीन्स कि कंज्यूमर जो है उसको जो प्रोडक्ट होता है वो हाईली एफोर्डेबल उसको होना और अवेलेबिलिटी होना, अगर ये दो चीज़ें हैं तो कस्टमर ऑलवेज बाय दिस प्रोडक्ट. एंड देन second most thing in that, the most of the time the production concept can lead to marketing myopia. So marketing myopia क्या होता है? The suggest that the business will be do later belong to the long term if they concentrate on the meeting the utility of the product or good rather than the just try to sell their product. Marketing myopia is that this is nothing but the upgradation of the product. In that case, we are thinking not just for a selling, we are thinking for the long term, how the product is survive a long term in a market. This production concept always try to improve the product efficiency, quality, affordability and to provide a consumer needs. If we are talking about the example of the production concept, the best example of the production concept is the Vivo smartphone. This is one of the Chinese brand and it is available in almost all over the Asia. You can walk into any phone shop in Asia and can walk out with the latest and greatest smartphone from the Vivo. अगर आप एशिया के किसी भी शॉप में अगर जाते हो और आप जब भी आप वीवो का मोबाइल परचेस करोगे तो आपको नया और एक ग्रेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ वो मोबाइल मिलेगा. तो दिस इज़ द all because of the production concept. Product concept. The product concept hold that the consumer will be favor the product that offer the most quality, performance and innovative feature. अब ये जो product concept होता है इसमें बेसिकली तीन से चार चीज़ों के ऊपर बहुत फोकस किया जाता है और उसके बेस पे कंज्यूमर हमारा प्रोडक्ट लेगा और उसको फेवर भी करेगा. दैट इज़ द क्वालिटी, परफॉर्मेंस, इनोवेटिव फीचर्स. अगर ये चीज़ें हैं तो ऑब्वियसली ये कस्टमर को पसंद आने ही वाली है. Here the marketing strategy are focused on the making the continuous product improvement. अब जो प्रोडक्शन कॉन्सेप्ट है ये अगर कंपनी के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से हम देखें तो ये हमेशा इस प्रोडक्ट को इम्प्रूवमेंट करने के बारे में सोचते हैं और ये हमेशा इसको इम्प्रूव कैसे करें और अलग कैसे बनाए इस चीज़ के ऊपर उनका फोकस होता है. एग्जाम्पल अबाउट प्रोडक्ट कॉन्सेप्ट, व्हेन यू थिंक द हाई क्वालिटी ऑफ प्रोडक्ट, like if you are buying the Apple, it is one of the toppest brand and there is no doubt of quality, performance, innovative feature, design. So because they are maintaining their standards. Selling concept hold the idea consumer will not buy enough of the firm product unless it undertake the large scale selling and promotional effort. बेसिकली जो सेलिंग कॉन्सेप्ट है उसमें वो लोग प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर इतना ध्यान नहीं देते जितना कि उस लार्ज स्केल के सेलिंग के और उसके प्रमोशन एफर्ट के ऊपर ज़्यादा ध्यान देते हैं. हियर the management focusing on the creating the sales and transaction rather than the building the long term relationship and profitable customer. अगर मैं सेलिंग कॉन्सेप्ट का अगर एग्जांपल लो, आप हमेशा मोबाइल पर ऐड देखते हो, टीवी पर ऐड देखते हो जो कि एकदम कमर्शियल लेवल पे होती है एंड एट दैट केस दे आर वॉट एवर दे शो you are like it because they showing their selling effort or promotional effort towards that product. All we know there are soft drink are not beneficial for the health, but after they advertise we like it and we buy it because they show or they put the efforts to sell that product. That's why we buy it. Okay, marketing concept. The marketing concept hold the achieving the organizational goal depend on the knowing the needs and wants of the target market and delivering the desired satisfaction better than the competitors do. Obviously the marketing concept is overall depend on the needs and wants of the customer or you can say the target market. If market wants a high level of satisfaction from the product, that can be company provide that satisfaction to that product. There is the lot of competitors in the market, but every firms try to compete all that other competitors and do a better in a market. Here the marketing management take a customer first approach. Under the marketing concept, the customer focus and value are routes to achieve the sales and profit. बेसिकली इसमें जो हम मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट की जो टीम है वो वर्क करेंगे, फोकस करेंगे कस्टमर के वैल्यूज़ के ऊपर, उसके नीड्स के ऊपर, उसके वांट्स के ऊपर. तो अल्टीमेटली जो निकल के आएगा वो सेल्स एंड प्रॉफिट निकल के आएगा. तो दैट्स वाई द स्ट्रैटेजी इज़ यूजिंग बाय द मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट टीम. The marketing concept and the selling concept are two extreme concepts and they're different from each other. The above decision suggests that the marketing concept is based on the four main pillars, that is marketing focus, customer orientation, coordinate marketing and profitability. Example, रेस्टोरेंट एंड स्टार्टअप्स डू फॉलो द मार्केटिंग कॉन्सेप्ट. ऑलवेज जो रेस्टोरेंट होते हैं और जो स्टार्टअप्स होते हैं वो मार्केटिंग कॉन्सेप्ट को फॉलो करते हैं, इसलिए वो कंज्यूमर को बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट और क्वालिटी और सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं rather than the competitors. Societal marketing concept. Marketing strategy should deliver the value to the customer in the way that maintain or improve both the consumers and society well-being. It calls for the sustainable market, the socially and environmentally responsible market that meet the consumer and businesses present needs while also preserving or the enhancing the future generation and ability to meet their needs. Actually क्या होता है कि अगर हम सस्टेनेबल मार्केट की बात करें, अगर वो प्रोडक्ट एनवायरमेंटली और सोशली एकदम रिस्पॉन्सिबल अगर है, तो इस केस में अगर हम बोल सकते हैं कि ये सस्टेनेबल प्रोडक्ट है, बिकॉज उसमें वो सारी सोसाइटी के नॉर्म्स फॉलो कर रहा है, एनवायरनमेंट के नॉर्म्स फॉलो कर रहा है, एक रिस्पॉन्सिबल मार्केटिंग उसमें दिख रही है जो कि नीड और वांट्स को पूरा कर रही है कंज्यूमर और बिजनेसेस की. तो इस केस में चांसेस है कि जो आपका प्रोडक्ट है वो मार्केट में चलेगा ही चलेगा. Example, while large companies sometimes launch a program and product that benefit the society, it's hard to find a company that is fully committed socially. Like if we give the realistic example, that is Tesla promises the big push of green energy with the electric cars and solar proof panel and tiles. These all qualities of the Tesla, they are provided in that car, so that's why everyone likes it and buy it. Thank you for watching my video.